Hello friends. Welcome to today's deep dive book summary, where we explore one of the most powerful books on mindset, psychology, and personal transformation. The Secrets to Master Your Mind, by Dhruva Vani. If you want to control your mind, if you want to break negative cycles, if you want to build discipline, confidence, focus, and success, then this book is the perfect guide for you. Today, I will take you through the entire book in a simple, powerful, motivational narration. Let's begin this journey. A journey where your biggest enemy is your own mind. And your biggest friend is also the same mind. Only if you learn to control it. Chapter 1, Your Mind, Your Real Power. We all know that the human mind is powerful. But nobody teaches us how to use this power. The author says, your mind is like a supercomputer. But most people fill it with the wrong programs, wrong thoughts, wrong beliefs, and then expect life to run smoothly. Your mind gets affected by negative environment, negative people, negative experiences, fear, doubt, overthinking, limiting beliefs. These are mental viruses. And just like a computer infected with viruses becomes slow, your mind too becomes weak and confused when filled with wrong programming. So the first rule of mastering your mind is change your mental programming. Chapter 2, Reprogramming the Mind. Yes, your mind can be reprogrammed. Why? Because the brain has a special ability called neuroplasticity. The ability to change itself. Your brain can build new habits, new patterns, new emotional reactions, new thoughts. How do you reprogram your mind? 1. Repetition. Whatever you repeat becomes your truth. If you keep saying, I'm weak, right pointing arrow, you become weak. If you keep saying, I will win, right pointing arrow, your mind prepares you to win. 2. Visualization. The mind thinks in images. If you imagine success, the mind works toward it. 3. Positive self-talk. Your inner voice becomes your outer reality. Don't talk to yourself like an enemy. Talk like a guide, like a coach, like a friend. Chapter 3, Thoughts Become Reality. Every day, we think more than 60,000 thoughts. These thoughts create emotions, influence decisions, shape our habits, and ultimately create our life. Good thoughts, good life. Negative thoughts, stress, fear, failure. The author says, your life becomes what your thoughts allow it to become. Think poor, stay poor. Think weak, become weak. Think fear, attract more fear. Your thoughts design your destiny. Chapter 4, Mindset is Everything. What separates successful people from unsuccessful people? Not money, not talent, not luck. It is mindset. Successful people think differently. They focus on solutions. They believe in growth. They learn from failures. They don't care about opinions. They stay consistent. They control their emotions. Unsuccessful people make excuses, fear challenges, blame others, want comfort instead of growth, quit easily. The message is simple. Change your mindset, right pointing arrow, change your life. Chapter 5, Habits, the Invisible Force. Habits create your identity. A successful life is not created by motivation. It is created by daily habits. Habits follow a 3-step loop. 1. Cue. Something triggers you. 2. Routine. You act. 3. Reward. You feel good or relieved. Watching 2 hours of social media every day is a habit. Reading 20 minutes every day is also a habit. One pushes you back. One pulls you forward. Your habits decide your future. Chapter 6, Fear, the mind's biggest enemy. Fear is not real. Fear is a signal created by your mind. Its purpose is to protect you. But often it stops you from growing. People avoid opportunities because of fear of failure, judgment, rejection, embarrassment, uncertainty. But the author says, fear is a lie. The moment you take action, fear disappears. How to defeat fear? Take small steps. Try new experiences. Accept failure as learning. Stop overthinking. Fear reduces, as courage increases. Chapter 7, Focus, the New Superpower. In today's world, attention is the most valuable asset. Notifications, social media, distractions, stress. Everything pulls your mind in many directions. But the author says, a focused mind is unbeatable. If you can focus deeply on one thing, you can achieve anything. Ways to increase focus. Do one task at a time. Reduce phone usage. Practice deep work. Meditation. Create a clean environment. Your focus decides your results. Chapter 8, Discipline, the Master Key. Motivation is temporary. Discipline is permanent. Success is not built on big dreams. It is built on small disciplined steps taken every day. Discipline means doing the right thing, even when you don't feel like doing it. Even when it is boring. Even when no one is watching. Every successful person has one common habit. Unbreakable discipline. Chapter 9, Emotional Control. Your mind is emotional. If emotions control you, life becomes unstable. Anger, jealousy, sadness, frustration. If unmanaged, these destroy inner peace. Control emotions by breathing deeply, journaling, identifying emotional triggers, responding calmly instead of reacting instantly. A stable mind creates a stable life. Chapter 10, Success Programming. Success begins in the mind. Before anything becomes real in life, it becomes real in your imagination. The formula of success programming. Clear goals, positive thoughts, consistent action, patience, self-belief. The author says, a winner's mind thinks of victories. A loser's mind thinks of problems. You become what you think. Chapter 11, Gratitude and Happiness. A grateful mind is a powerful mind. When you appreciate what you have, your brain releases positive chemicals. You feel lighter, happier, calmer. Gratitude turns your brain from stress peace, lack abundance, fear faith. Happiness is not outside. It begins inside your thoughts. Chapter 12, Become the Master of Your Mind. In the final part, the author explains, your mind is like a wild horse. If you control it, it takes you to success. But if the mind controls you, it drags you into chaos. To master your mind, control your thoughts, build powerful habits, remove fear, stay disciplined, stay focused, improve 1% every day. This is the real path to self-mastery. Friends, this book is not just a self-help guide. It is a manual for your mind. If you truly want to transform your life, start with your thoughts. Start with your habits. Start with your mindset. Because remember, when your mind changes, your entire life changes.